Matsyasana. From the supine position, place your palms down and bring your hands underneath the body with the elbows as close to each other as possible. Feet together. Inhale, lift the head up, look at your feet. Exhale, bring the crown of your head onto the mat. Open the shoulders. To release the asana, inhale, lift the head up, look at your feet, bring the shoulders down first and then the head. Release the hands. For a more advanced variation, first sit in Padmasana. Lower your back onto the mat. Inhale, lift the head up, look at your feet. Exhale, bring the crown of your head onto the mat and hold your toes. You can also loop the first two fingers around each of your big toes. To release the asana, place your hands down. Inhale, lift the head up, bring the shoulders down and finally the head. Release the legs. Ustrasana. Stand on your knees with the knees slightly apart. Place your hands on your lower back and arch back. This is the basic version of Ustrasana. Release. Now place one hand on the ankle behind. Take the other hand up towards the ceiling and look at the hand which is up. Release and repeat on the other side. For the complete version, place one hand on the ankle behind and the other hand on the other ankle. Push your hips forward and arch back. Look at the ceiling. Slowly release the asana and sit back and relax in child's pose.